Hey guys, Airgun Angie, and I've got my ATN Thor 4. This is a thermal sight, guys, and I've been wanting one of these for a very long time, and I finally got one. And guys, before going out and just killing something with it, I wanted to adjust. I've used night vision before. I've actually used a thermal spotter before, but I wanted to make sure that I knew what the different things looked like in the scope before I go shoot anything. So I took it out one night as a spotter scope to use when I was at a friend's house who's having some predator problems on her farm. She's got chickens, geese, ducks, all kinds of stuff, and she's got a fox, bobcat. She's even got a mountain lion or a cougar on camera as well. So we were sitting on top of a container trying to see if we could catch them. I took this out as a spotter, guys, and I wanted to show you guys what kind of footage I got with it. So here it is. I also went through the different color palettes. There's white hot, black hot, red hot, green hot, then fusion, globo, iron bow, rainbow, and rain. So far, I am super impressed. Love the picture quality that I get with the ATN Thor 4. Guys, I've decided what rifle I'm gonna mount it on first. That's gonna be my TC-45, guys. I'm gonna take it hog hunting first. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to kind of give you a little sneak peek, seeing things that I've seen with my ATN Thor 4 and show you guys the awesome picture it gets. So that's it for today, guys. I'm Airgun Angie with AirgunWeb. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, ATN and Airgun Pro Shop. Y'all don't just have a good day, have an awesome one. See ya.